A down day on Wall Street after Britain voted to leave the European Union. Stunned investors pushed stocks sharply lower by rushing to the safety of gold and government bonds as they wondered what will come next for Britain, Europe, and the global economy.
The big worry for most traders is not so much Britain, but what happens now to France with the National Front movement, to Italy with the Five-Star movement. So, those are the things that are going to come into play in Germany, in Portugal, in Poland.
Britain's voted to leave the EU over concerns including immigration and regulation. It's far from clear what that will mean for international trade or for Europe, but it sent the pound down to just over $1.37, its lowest level since 1985.
The drop in the pound against the dollar is huge. I believe it's a 30-year low, huge impact on an already very strong dollar. And indeed, you didn't just see it in the pound. I suppose because of possibly worries that this Brexit vote could spread to other countries, you saw the euro get weak as well.
U.S. stocks took far smaller losses than markets in Europe and Asia, but were still sharply lower.
I think everyone's trying to understand what the landscape is going to be moving forward. Clearly this is something that we have not experienced before, so we don't have a prior situation where we can draw a parallel relation to this.
The Dow Jones Industrial Average ended the day down 611 points, or 3.4% to 17,400. The S&P 500 dropped 76 points, 3.6% to 2037, while the Nasdaq dropped 202 points, or 4.1% to 4707. Luke Sheridan, The Associated Press.